Introducing the PowerDock, our most versatile 3-in-1 charging station to date. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, this charging station allows you to seamlessly charge your smart devices how you want and where you want. The PowerDock is available in midnight black and crisp white. Today I'll be taking you through a quick unboxing and tutorial of the crisp white. First, let's unbox the PowerDock and see everything that comes included. You'll see the user manual as well as the SnapMag ring, which I'll touch on a bit later. Next, you'll see the PowerDock station itself. After that is the USB-C cable, and lastly, we have the detachable 5000 mAh power bank. Now here with me, I also have an Apple Watch charger that can be plugged into the PowerDock. This is an optional add-on when you're purchasing. Please note, a 48-watt adapter is also required to power the station. You may use any adapter that provides the required output or purchase our 48-watt power adapter. Powering up your PowerDock is super simple and straightforward. Simply connect the included USB-C cable into the USB-C input on the back of the PowerDock and the other end into a 48-watt USB wall adapter. You'll notice the side LED pulse twice to signify that it's powered up correctly. Next, you may place the detachable power bank into the docking station. You'll notice the 4 small LED indicators on the side of the power bank. Each solid LED light represents 25% charge. Any indicator that is flashing means that the power bank is currently recharging up to full. Now, if you've opted for the Apple Watch charging piece, you can also attach this by plugging it into the USB output on the side of the PowerDock. Now you're fully set up and ready to charge. On the front of your PowerDock is a dedicated charging area for your smartphone. It supports up to 15-watt Qi wireless output charging for your smartphones. If your phone is MagSafe compatible, simply snap your phone on to begin charging. If your smartphone is Qi wireless enabled but does not support MagSafe charging, just use the included SnapMag ring to get the same magnetic snap on alignment. A pro tip: when your smartphone is on the dock, you can also easily rotate to landscape viewing mode. This is perfect for watching your favorite shows and movies, or my personal favorite, using in standby mode so I can have my clock next to my bedside. One of the standout features of the PowerDock is the detachable power bank. While the power bank is in the standard dock position, it will always be recharging itself to ensure it's fully charged and ready to go. As soon as you need it, just take it off the dock and your device will still remain charged on the go. It's so simple, yet truly so magical. You'll never have to plug in to recharge your power bank again. On the back of the PowerDock, you'll find another Qi charging area that's dedicated for charging your wireless earbuds such as Apple AirPods or Galaxy Buds. Simply place down and charging will begin immediately. Last but not least is the USB-C out port on the side of the dock that can be used in different ways. If you opted for the Apple Watch charging adapter, you can simply insert it into the USB-C port, then place your compatible Apple Watch charger on to charge. Alternatively, you can also charge almost any smart device by utilizing this port on the side. For example, charging another smartphone, a GoPro, or other AirPods, the choice is yours. Another feature we love about the PowerDock is the ability to charge your Apple Watch on the go. Simply detach both the power bank and the watch adapter. Now simply plug your Apple Watch charger into the bottom of the power bank and you can charge your Apple Watch anywhere you go. This truly shows how versatile the PowerDock has been designed to be, allowing you to charge the devices you want, how you want, whether docked or fully portable while on the go. And there you have it, the perfect blend of style, convenience, and functionality all packed into one simple station, the PowerDock. Thank you for exploring it with us, and we'll see you on the next one.